Ngorongoro Conservation Area in Tanzania is home to majestic elephants, adapted to various habitats, including savannas and forests. These incredible creatures stand tall at an impressive height of 3.2 meters, 10 feet, at the shoulders and can weigh up to 12,000 kilograms, towering over their female counterparts. Elephants are highly social animals living in family groups led by a matriarch comprising related females and their young. Their tusks, elongated incisor teeth present in both males and females, play a crucial role in their daily lives, allowing them to dig, lift objects, gather food, strip bark from trees, and defend themselves. Furthermore, their tusks also protect the trunk, which serves as both a nose and an arm, allowing these incredible animals to breathe, smell, touch, grasp, and produce sound. The large ears of elephants play a vital role in regulating their body temperature. Elephants cool themselves by flapping their ears, a fact that is not known to everyone. Despite facing various threats worldwide, such as habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and ivory poaching, the dedicated rangers of the Ngorongoro Conservation Area work tirelessly to ensure the safety and protection of these magnificent creatures for current and future generations.